Even with rid of the Sarton, the municipality receives several tourists. Among the most visited points of the city are the river stream, Pajéu River, Bom Jesus dos Aflitos, Cathedral, and Casario.
The Casario tourist spot is an architectural set of Floresta that is in the city center. The place is a highlight for the harmony of the facades and the neoclassical and Baroque styles.
It dates from the late 19th century and the early 20th century. The architectural assembly forms the historical site of Floresta. It is located in the center of the city and of hospital value, degree of conservation of properties, the beauty and harmony of facades, in the mixture of styles, preferring the eclectic style, a spring wide, neoclassical and a baroque.